Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below. My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Thanks so much for joining me for this full total body yoga flow. No equipment, great for everybody, but it moves, so do not be afraid to modify as needed, building explosive power and finesse with flow, breath, expansion, and a healthy dose of dreaming here. We got a lot to do in a short amount of time, so let's go. Check in below, downward facing dog. Stretch it out. We're going to do some down dogs to planks to begin 10 times. Relax the shoulders. Spread the fingers wide. Inhale forward to plank. Exhale back. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Non-stop. A feast of strength right here. Inhale forward. Hands are on the shoulders. Then exhale. Sink the heels back. Working on form. Practice. Bringing out so much potential in your mind and body. Inhale forward. Exhale back. We're going to connect every single one of these flows together. Inhale and exhale. There's the down dog. Up and down, forward, back. Stretch out the arms. Now forward to plank. 10 lunges. Keep your body parallel. Step your right foot forward. Step it back. We're going to add a twist here in a moment as an option. Exhale. There's 3. Always back to plank. Forward and back. Forward, if you like. There's the twist. One hand down, other arm up. Here we are. By the way, what do you think of that sky? Stepping the foot to the outside, stepping back to plank, really working that front leg and lifting up. There we are. Step it back. And once more, lifting up and going right into Vinyasa Flow. So lower down in hover. Take your time. Drop the knees if you wish. And going through the Vinyasa Flow. So hands are on the shoulders, lifting up into Cobra or all the way up. Exhale, lower down, press up and back, downward facing dog. Moving into 4 Superman Vinyasa. So there's a hover and then reach the arms forward. Superman. Hold for a couple breaths. Slide the hands on the shoulders, Cobra or all the way up into up dog and then back to down dog. 3 more times. Inhale forward, hover. Take your time lowering down. Inhale, extend. Big, tall Superman blasting your back. Up dog or Cobra, squeeze the glutes, lower down if you like, or go right back to down dog 2 more times. Inhale forward. Let that spine be very elastic, very limber. Superman, lifting. Press up and back. And one more time, slithering forward, hover, elbows into the sides. Take your time lowering down. Big, strong Superman pose, building the entire back. All right, up dog, stretch it out, back to down dog. Going to down dog, scorpion, lift the leg up, open the knee. And then extended warrior, extending that arm nice and strong. And then stepping back to down dog, other side. There's the scorpion, open it up, forward to extended warrior. Let's do 2 more times on each side. You can also place that forearm on your thigh. Up, scorpion. Lift it tall. Open the anterior chain of the body. Then step forward. Extended warrior. Bending that front knee. Turning that back foot in. Long stretch. Hands down. Connecting the poses together as expertly as possible. Go for mastery. Go for total body conditioning. And once more on each side. There's the scorpion. See how you're always smoothing out, you're polishing it, you're tucking in your shirt and hoping that people don't see you do that. There's a scorpion, down dog scorpion, forward warrior, hand down or forearm on the leg. Now moving into side lunges 20 times back and forth. Hands are down, keeping the hips open. Fantastic and quite sometimes brutal exercise for your glutes and your hamstring and quad flexibility. Back and forth. Used to do this a lot when I was in Taekwondo. Great warm-up, also a great workout if you want. There's 10 more. You can take your hands off the floor. Definitely you can work up to that if you like. The upper body turns into the lunge. Good. You might think we're moving pretty fast, but always with good control and with the best form you can muster. Without the form, it's just junk. Side lunges. Now step it back. Left leg up. Vinyasa Flow. Take your time coming down, always working that hover Up dog, back to down dog. Now step forward, 10 windmill lunges, bringing this back by popular demand. There's a lunge. Take your back leg, circle it around, set it down, and there's lunge. Inhale, lift the arms up. Keep your fingers down if you like. Around, there's a sound effect, and lifting up, getting that beautiful flexibility in the back. You can keep that lifted leg bent if you so desire. You can see the rain coming down, a little reminiscent of when I used to live and film in Florida. Inhale, lift, stretch that back leg, line up the front knee and ankle, windmill, back and forth. Take this one out of the equation and practice it on its own. I want you tomorrow, after you do this workout, go and practice just the windmill lunge. It really tests your clarity and your focus, how well you can focus under this kind of duress, making your body adapt. All right, bring the leg around and Vinyasa Flow. Left leg up if you like. Smooth out the flow. Lifting up into up dog, back. Now warrior wrap, bent leg. We're going to bring the left foot forward. There's that warrior position again. You can do extended warrior or bring the arm underneath, other arm around into the wrap. Keep it here, or you can shift forward. This really stretches your shins and stretches that back leg, keeping your upper body lifted. And then hands down, back to down dog, right leg up. Bring it forward. There's the warrior wrap or extended warrior. Shoulders back and down. Bend that knee, being able to work with integrity on the fly. Someone say fly. Back to down dog. One more time each side. There we are. This time, wrap, keep the knee bent, or extend into a triangle. Extending that front leg, really getting a massive stretch. Oh man, our lives will never be the same after this. Other leg up and forward. A little bit of a scorpion there, if you wish. This video is yours. Pause it, study it as much as you like. There's that triangle. Now, back, bend the knees, a little frogger stretch, forward, down in hover, Vinyasa Flow, up dog or cobra. Stretch it up, back to down dog. We're going to do 4 explosive chair flows. But first, let's walk the legs 10 times. A little more speed here, walking the legs in down dog, adding a little twist, keeping your body as limber as possible. Shake it out. All right, walk or step forward, or jump forward, chair pose. Hands down, step back to plank, Vinyasa Flow. We're doing 4 of these. I'm going to give you the option to add some explosive strength there. So there's the hop, there's the chair. Hands down, step or jump back, Vinyasa. Inhale, lift, open the chest, drop the shoulders, down dog. Shirt tuck, 2 more times. All right, walk or jump forward, down. And then you can jump like that. Just a quick jump back into the hover. Work up to that. There's the chair, pressing back and jump back. Very challenging. It can be rather fun with the more practice you have. Downward facing dog. Now walk or jump forward. Let's hold the chair. Deep, deep squat. Arms forward, sinking the tush back and down. The weight is in the heels. Fantastic. Oh, there's a thumbs up from Coach Vigue. That guy is really encouraging. All right, one more Vinyasa Flow. Jump it back if you like, or step back. There it is, the hover. Enjoying myself immensely. Up dog, stretch the spine, back to down dog, sink the heels down. Now bring the forearms down into a walking dolphin. Walking the legs about 10 times here, adding the twist. Palms are flat. It's down dog with the forearms down, taking the pressure off the wrists. Now forward and down to the mat. Hands are on the shoulders. Cobra with the elbows bent, or all the way up into up dog. Let's do a little longer hold here to build more strength, more power, more density in the bones, more endurance, more stamina, and pretty much more up dog. Tops of the feet are down. Squeeze the glutes. Flex the glutes. The glutes also, that means your butt. Squeeze the glutes and butt to take pressure off your lower back. Drop the shoulders back. Relax the jaw. Think of opening the whole front side of your body and lengthening in the pose. Now lower down. Press back. Forearms down again. Walking dolphin pose. Palms to the floor. Walk it out. Keep that energy flowing. Keep the movement going. Got a nice wet deck going on here. Adding a little twist. All right. Surprise, my friends. You can go to plank or press forward, hold, hover. I did this in another one of my videos with beautiful results and great feedback. Only a few curse words. Elbows into the sides, deep breathing. Do a good 10 breaths here. Deep breaths too, so slow them down, drop the knees if you need to. So plank position or hover to finish off this feast of strength, this yoga flow. Every time we get to this mat, my friend, you want to never go back. Your life will never be the same. You will acquire more skills, more function, more strength, more flexibility, more abilities in your life. Elbows in, okay, bring it down. Reach out, fingers down, or reach up into Superman one more time. Strengthening that back, get a lot of length. Thumbs up again. This is, Siskel and Ebert power yoga style. Lifting tall, strong back, strong bodies. Yes! Sean smash. Press back to child's pose. Well done, my friends. Flip the palms up. No pressure on the wrists. Beautiful workout. Check in below when you are finished. Oh, let me know your favorite Avenger, speaking of Sean Smash. And I am not an Avenger. You're going to see an Avenger here in about 20 seconds on the screen also. But who's your favorite Avenger? Bring it up. Sitting on the heels or cross-legged, shoulders back. Let's open it all up. Little flash dance pose there. Lace the fingers together, drop the shoulders back. Subscribe, share, practice. I appreciate it. We're in this together once we get on the mat. Oh, yes, we are. Shoulders back and down. What's my favorite Avenger? Oh, man. Who did I used to read the most? Probably, I used to read Thor a lot. And, of course, Iron Man is fun. Now, rolling up, tuck the chin, shoulders back and down. Beautiful workout. Practice it every other day. Share it on. Enjoy life. See you soon. Hulk go to school.
Because if I had enough time, I would take those rosary bleeds and stuff them up your nose. These bleeds? Those bleeds there. If you're going to take these and shove them up, I'd take these.
Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.